Okay, I want to share to you about how to make the 3D modeling with the basic model of the hotel. First of all, we can make this shaping in here. We can select the rectangle and click from this position to the position in here, and now we can push it to the another side in here. Okay, we can type like around 2.5 meter in here. Okay, then now we can click and push it to the another side. Type 2.5 meter in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the rectangle and just place it to position. Then now we can click, and then now we can push it to the another side in here. Okay, and then now we can triple click, right click, and make group in here. Okay, and then now we can right click and just make component, and then just create. Okay, and then now we can select a move, tap control, and just place to the another position in here. Can click one by one and just duplicate it and multiple it. We have to duplicate and also multiple it in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another area in here. Okay, now we can click and select a move, tap control, and just place to the position in here. Okay, then now we can push it to the another side in here on the position. Then now we can type 9 meter in here. Okay, or maybe we can add 9 meter more. Okay, to make the additional area in here, but we have to extend about the structural system here. Okay, then now we can select move, type control, and type 8 meter in here, and move and type 8 meter in here. Okay. Okay, and after that, now we can make it more smaller. We can type 2 meter in here, and then now we can triple click and push it to the another side, type 1 meter. Okay. Okay, now we can just triple click and push it down until to the ground in here. And okay, maybe we can add more floor in here, but we have to make unique first in here. We have to make unique on the position. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can make the additional room in here. It's just only the additional room. Now we can make the curve on that position here. And click and push it to down in here. Okay, so it was the curve design. Okay, and we can also click this one and just place to the position, and just click and move it to the another side in here. Okay, this is just for example. Now we can make the curve in here, and click and push it down until to the position in here. Okay, and now we can see what the result of this one. Okay, and after that, now we can make the glazing in here from this position until to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can click and just scale the line in here, and just scale the line in here. And then now we can click and push it up until to the position in here, and triple click and make group. Okay, then now we can click and erase the surfaces in here. Okay, then now we can click, select, move, tap control, and just place to the position. Then now we can type 9/ and enter in here. Then now we can click and select move, tap control, and just place, type 4/ and enter in here. Okay, now we can just assign this one. Okay, then now we can select a move and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then okay, maybe we can change the color with the another color system in here. We can make the blue color in here to make it more representative, just like this. Or maybe we can add some podium. We can add some podium radium line in here. You can click and select move, tap control and just place on the position in here. Okay, then you can click and make unique in here. Okay, now we can make the line and just place to the position in here and double click and offset it inside in here, type 20 in here and make the close line over there. And now we can push it up until the position here and double click and make group. I'm sorry, we have to assign about the glazing position in here. Okay, and then now we can double click and we can just click and select a move, type control and just place, type 12 slash and enter in here and just click and select a move, type control and just place, type 4 slash and enter in here. Sorry, it's getting loss of the view. Okay, so this is about the basic shape, and then now we can make the rectangle. Okay, then now we can just make this fin in here and make group and right click and also make component and then just create. You can select move, tap control and okay, now we can just place on the position in here. Okay, then now we can push it up in here until to the position here. Okay, and then you can click and just rotate 90 degree, enter. Okay, and make unique. Okay, this one and okay, so this is about the another progress. Okay, we can select the color and we can add kind of the color. We can add the new color in here and just adjust from the color wheels. Okay, then now we can assign about the position in here. Okay, maybe this is about the color system, about the new color system. Okay, just like this one and can double click and push it up until to the position in here. Then now we can select a move, tap control. Okay, so this is about the result and okay, now we can add more element like the vertical element in here. Okay, then now we can push it up and double click and make group. Can make component and then just create. Now we can select a move, tap control and just place, type 15 slash and enter in here. Okay, select a move, tap control and just place and 20 slash and enter in here. Sorry. Okay, I think we can make more impressive. You can select the line and select a move and just place to the another position in here. Okay, can select a move, tap control and just place, type 30 slash and enter in here. Okay, I think it is too much anyway. I think it is too much, so we have to make it flexible, just a flexible one in here. Okay, and push it to the another side in here, and triple click and make group in here, and okay, now we can add the materials, and or maybe we can assign the materials just like this, and now we can make component and then just create and just place on the position in here. Okay, now we can select click and select move, tap control and place to the another position for every single floor in here. Okay, so this is about the result, and we can make the platform in here. Okay, then now we can make group, and then now we can put and assign about the component in here, like a silhouette people in here, and about the another tree in here. You can make the landscape area in here. Okay, so this is about the landscape area. Okay, this is about the tree. Okay, this is about the tree position in here, and maybe we can add more outdoor dining table in here to make it more representative enough in here. I mean, okay, this is about the result, and I will show you about the floor plan. So this is about the floor plan. This is L-shaped extension in here. This is a services area in here. This is emergency exit and emergency exit. So this is for the every single unit in here. This is the plumbing subsystem. Okay, this is elevator area and vertical electricity room in here. Okay, so this is about the result, and I will show you about the shadow in here, and now we can also assign about the shadow as we want in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.